So today I'll be drawing on the shoreline of Hemsby, Norfolk. The coastal town has been hit hard in the last few years and experienced a higher erosion than expected. To draw this drawing, I sat on one of the very few sea defences they have put into place and looked up at the blue bungalow. This bungalow, which I have chosen to draw, has been abandoned and might not last the winter, which seems an awful shame. So here I am starting my drawing. I start with a simple sketch, and when that's finished, I reduce the opacity of that layer. Then I draw the final drawing on a new layer. I've decided to do a simple black and white drawing using the Derwent brush and add a few fill-in colours at the end. I normally use the 6B pencil brush on Procreate, but this time I went for the Derwent brush as it has a more sharpened texture to it. Since the 1970s, Hemsby has lost around 300 metres of its coastline, with more than 8 feet being lost in recent months. This is mainly caused by storms, high tides and strong winds. There was a plan for a £20 million sea defence, but that got scrapped due to rising costs of the project. Instead, they have tried cheaper solutions, one being planting mirum grass to stabilise the Hemsby sand dunes. This hardy grass has long tough roots that work like anchors, holding the sand in place and preventing the sand from being washed away. Also, larger seawalls have been built, but overall the battle is being lost, and it is thought that one day the village that is Hemsby will be taken over by the sea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in 2 weeks when I will be drawing at another location.